Hey, welcome back to my channel. 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 I cannot dance, so I don't even know why I tried that. But anyways, thanks for coming to my channel. If you're a newbie, hey girl, or hey boy, thanks for stopping by. Now, before you go any further, before you try to fast forward me or try to exit out, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button next to it so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Because I'm telling you, I got a lot of videos and I do not want you to miss out. Period. And it's free. Like, girl, it don't cost nothing to hit that subscribe button. Tell me why you wouldn't. Oh, ain't no reason. Just subscribe. Anyways, my name is Shantae, and I am into anything pertaining to beauty. That could be skincare, hair care, makeup, whatever. I am into it, girl, like obsessed. So I literally have like 100 and something videos that I want to push out to you guys every single week to get you guys into what I do, like my DIYs and everything. Like I'm gonna sprinkle some goodness on y'all. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just calm down. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of something for you. But yes, I hope everybody's safe during this pandemic and being quarantined and staying away from everyone. Because I do not want you guys to get sick because it is serious, okay? It's taking people out like snipers. Do you feel me? Like, we don't need to. Stay safe, sis. And, I mean, if you're like me, then you were, like, always already quarantined. I'm sorry about that. I had a moment. But anyway, I thank you guys for coming by. Like I said, if you're a newbie, subscribe. If you already subscribed to my channel, thank you. Welcome back, girl or boy. And I appreciate your support. Now, like you can tell in the title that this is definitely about cleaning the makeup brushes and sponges. That's right, with shampoo, girl. Yeah. Who got time to be spending all of that money on like makeup brushes to get cleaned and the cleanser and all that and the little pads, silicone pad? Like, who got time for that? I definitely don't. So, with that being said, I have some goodness for you guys that you guys could do, because don't nobody want to be spending all that money when you could be using it for something else. Okay. Now, we're going to get into the video. I will describe in the video what these products are. I got one from Dollar Tree and the other one, which is a shampoo, and I got that from Walmart. So if you are interested in this, sit back, get relaxed, put your feet up, and let's get into this video. Booyah! Okay, so here is my dirty behind brushes. This is the shampoo that I got from Walmart, and I will put all the links to everything at the bottom for you as well. And this is like a little Lego block or something from Dollar Tree that I got. And it has the little ridges, ridges or the little pieces that stand up. And I'm checking the temp, making sure it's like warm water. And what you want to do is get that bristle nice and wet. Do not hold your brush underneath the water. And all you need is just a little dab, like right here, for the brush to clean it. You don't need a whole lot because soap does, go a long way. So you don't need a lot of it. So what I'm doing is like twirling it around there, trying to get it between all the bristles to get all the makeup out of there. And that's why I like to use this little Lego piece, because it has like these little pieces that pop out that really lets the brush get in between there and clean out the bristles. Because there's nothing like when you thought you cleaned it and there's still makeup and stuff on there. So what I did was run it underneath again and got to see if there's any more makeup coming off. And I don't see any more makeup coming off at all. And you just want to run it underneath the water, that little pad and your brush underneath the water, and take your fingers and squeeze the bottom to get the excess stuff out. And there is nice and flat, no makeup in it. This brush is so old, so it might look like it's still dirty, but it's not. So this is the next brush that I'm doing. The same step. You're just gonna put the little dab of shampoo in it, twirl it around. Oh God, look at all that makeup, child. Woo! Woo, you can tell I'll be doing some makeup, honey. And rinse that off and do the step again. You want to make sure that you keep repeating these steps over and over until you see absolutely nothing but just soap showing up with no type of coloration in it. Yeah. And you just twirl it around there and get it all out of there. And them little ridges, save me so much time in washing my brush. And you have to do it downward. See how I'm doing it downward so none of the water drains into my brush. So I'm just doing it downward because if the water goes into your brush, that's how they start falling apart and all that other stuff. So you just take your finger and pinch it, get all that water off, just like that. Just like that. And I didn't show you that brush, but here's another brush like it. Okay, now here's the sponges. They are filthy. So you're going to take a little plug right there and put it in the sink. And this is going to be also warm water. And I'm throwing all the little sponges in there, getting them all up in there, making sure that they get nice and saturated in the water. Because sponges are really thick. And to get all the product out, you need to really make sure it is like saturated with water. So it's easy to get up in there through all the thickness with the soap and cleaning it all out. And look at that. So look at the little dab on the sponge also. And what I'm doing is taking my little finger and trying to get all the makeup out. Do not do it all hard because I learned my lesson. I split my makeup blender. There's a big split in it, and I think it's the one right there, that pink and white one that has a split in it. So, yeah, as like I was saying about saturating it in the water, you see all that dirt? That's one time of me just saturating it. So, you have to, make sure you get it in the water and rub your fingers on it, and then just repeat that step again, just to get all that soap out. I'm squeezing it right now, and then I'm gonna just repeat this step one more time, actually 2 more times, but I didn't do the other time. I didn't record that for you guys. I just felt like it was like repeating itself. So I'm draining it and I'm replacing it with more clean water this time. Taking all that dirty water out. Oh, look at that ring around the rosy, honey. Don't come for me. Don't you come for me. So I'm like, drain. Is it drain? Oh, well, I'm twisting the water out of it. Whatever, squeezing the water out. Getting that dirt and makeup that was in there from the last little wash that I did already. And I'm plugging it back up my little stomper. And yeah, I'm getting it saturated again. And I'm just going to repeat that step again, like saturating it, squeezing it, make sure the water gets all in there, massaging it with my fingers. Just make sure that it's not dry, because those things hold up water, like a lot of water. And you do not want to be out here trying to clean something and it will not work because those things are super thick. So I'm taking my finger and yeah, I'm just, see that? That's why I do it so many times. Look at that. And this is like the third time of me doing this. So you just take your finger and you like whistle it around, I guess, to get the makeup to come on out of there. This can take a little time, but girl, just make sure that you clean these things when you have time. Do not clean them like when you doing 1,001 things. You have to take time to clean these makeup brushes and sponges so they can be properly clean. Now this one I slow mode it for you guys so you can actually see how I like clean it with my finger, just in case you might have missed it. It might have looked too harsh or whatever, but yeah, I slowed it down and it's nice and gentle. And I'm just twirling my fingers around, just trying to get all of that out of there. And you see it coming out, and it's way lighter than it was. And it's coming out of all the little crevices of my blender. Like, these blenders be hiding stuff, y'all. Like, believe it or not, just when you think it's clean, it's not. So, dip it in that water. Get some more shampoo on it. And lather it with them fingers, honey. Okay? Squeezing out all that soap. Now, look at that. Slow-mo. Ow. And so, these are the clean brushes. And the clean sponges. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you made it through the video. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope this was very helpful for you guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And before you go, hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it so you can be notified of my videos. Like I said, I will be pushing them out every week for you guys. I have a lot of content to get out to you guys. So please subscribe and be a part of the beauty fam with me and the rest of the people that are, the rest of the ladies and gentlemen that are subscribed to my channel. Yeah. I love you guys. Be safe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Make sure to check out my previous video on how to do DIY black soap shampoo. And also hit those notification bells so you get notified every time I post a video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.